How to turn off or on screen shake in Among Us game. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will open Among Us game. Once you open that, we will wait for some second to load the game. Now here you guys will see that type of interface. So for turning off or on screen shake, we will simply go to settings on left side. You guys can see on down news, my account. Also you guys can see settings. So I will simply click on settings. Once I click on settings, here you guys will see general graphics data. So simply click on graphics. Here in graphics you guys will see screen shake on. So for example, I want to turn off it, so I'll simply click on that. Now our screen shake was off. For onning that, I will simply click again on screen shake off. Here we go, screen shake was on. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.